Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Together AI for fast model inference automations, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Together AI for fast model inference automations, start by ensuring you have access to the Together AI platform. Log in to your Together AI account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Settings tab, typically found in the sidebar. Click on the Settings tab to access configuration options. Within the Settings menu, find the AI Models section. Click on AI Models to view available options for activation. Select the specific model you wish to activate for inference automation. Once you have chosen the model, click on Activate to proceed. Review the activation settings that appear on the screen. Customize these settings according to your automation needs. Once satisfied, confirm your choices by clicking on the Save button. Next, navigate to the Automations tab, also located in the sidebar. In the Automation section, click on Create New Automation. Select the previously activated model from the drop-down menu. Configure the triggers for your automation based on your requirements. You can choose from time intervals, events, or manual triggers. After setting your triggers, establish the action that will be performed. This action should align with the goals of your automation. Once all elements are configured, review everything to ensure accuracy. Click on the Launch button to activate your new automation. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your automation is live. Monitor the performance of your automation through the dashboard. Adjust any settings as necessary to optimize results. Congratulations, you've successfully activated Together AI for fast model inference automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.